Cold and cough slowing you down? Ayurveda has simple, effective answers. Try these soothing remedies: turmeric milk at night, ginger honey mix for throat relief, and tulsi tea for immunity. Clear congestion with Ayurvedic steam therapy. Add a few drops of eucalyptus or ajwain seeds for instant relief. Breathe easy this season with Ayurveda's natural care. Stay balanced, stay healthy.